this is Joe Hill from Done Right Management. I am in the master bedroom at Happynest. And as you can see, we're in the master bedroom. We're going to do a quick video tutorial. And this happens to be a fairly simple television using a Vizio TV. And so we have three controllers. One for the TV, which is this Vizio controller right here. Then we have the Cable 1 box, which is right here. Green light's got power. And then we have the Sony DVD player, which is also a smart enabled DVD player. So in order to channel or change between the devices, up on the top we have the input right here. So you push the input, and then where it says cable box, so you need to be on cable box. It also says cable down here on number 1, but you need to be on cable box if you want to watch cable. And then HDMI 2, and we just basically toggle between here. HDMI 2 puts us onto the Blu-ray, Sony Blu-ray player. And you can also see you've got the different options, Netflix and Amazon and so forth. So if you have one of those accounts, you can certainly plug into utilizing it. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us in the office. I'm going to switch back so that you can see. We're going to go to the cable box, and that's going to bring us back to cable 1. So if you have any further questions, you can call us on the landline. The phone number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. So I hope you're having a great time here in McCall. This is Happynest J44, just off of Davis. Cheers and enjoy yourselves.